Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak arpu pratrik ujeliu ule pentip bagi sorkar pedeng kalapha kubor pabetha ek sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam bagin penbet no kam kloy ya kejingya kaja kaput kebelas ateng deki posnem mentah. Kesorkar pedeng kalapha ketian bonsian syaka Meghalaya baka Assam kebabetha bagin pentelun syakamat ikejingya keren penbet uput usam. Loong Konrad Kongkal Sangma habe keren bagi nong pathai kubor haba pentip bru bagi sorkar India kalap persang bane keren bathau kilat ban lap ya gilenti bani sutho lang ha ka bani penbet ya kene kam la ban kedau hang ni ba menteri korbari ke sarkar pedeng Amit Shah ha ka jungwan yu kujaju hasilong ha ka senam balala ula kran syai ba ka Assam ba ka Meghalaya ki ban penbet no ya ka jing ya ka jakap pot ha po ka senam arajar arpuar ka senam ba ka rigan rakhe ya ka jing dap nyuk san senam jong ka jing yo la luit halor ka ni Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya ulong ba Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar Pleng ule pentip bat penpau ke jing angnut ba shua ke jing rakhe ke jing dap nyop san snem ke jing yo la lut kari dei ban penbet no kin ki kam ka ja kapot tang hapreng ke Meghalaya bat Assam nrei hapreng baro ke jela jong ka than chtai lam mi.
And as was mentioned that this is a good time to take this forward also because there is a very positive relationship in the leadership between Assam and Meghalaya at this point in time. We both share equal respect for each other and for our people and for our state. And also Government of India has been also actively pursuing this matter. So definitely the overall environment is conducive to take the discussions forward. But as I said, it will all depend on the process and what kind of discussions we have. So let's hope for the best. But my point was that yes, we have discussed these matters, but at an official level, we have not met yet. But unofficially, a lot of discussions are taking place. And so let us now take the things forward. Let there be an official meeting first, and then we will decide. I think if we are to bring in aspects of the past, then it may just complicate matters more. So what suggestions that we have been working towards is that let us have a fresh start to the entire process. And in this fresh start, we will think of all the options that are there. We'll look at all the documentations in a very open mind. And as I said, we'll start with a very clean slate. The objective is really not to find faults or mistakes or what has happened and not happened, but is to find a solution. So that's why we feel that with the new leadership in Assam now and a leadership with a very positive mindset and good relationship with Meghalaya leadership, we're hopeful that with this clean slate and this entire new outlook, we will move forward and try to find a solution that's amicable. So after my brief discussion with Assam CM, saying that till we move forward and while this entire efforts to find a solution to this issue is going on, let us avoid any kind of such aggravating situations. And that's the kind of communication and unofficial discussion which I was mentioning earlier, which you just mentioned now, is that we are ensuring that that discussion takes place. And yes, there could be, I'm not saying there will not be, because there could be officials at the grassroots level who may, but broadly speaking, both the states and both the leadership in both the states have agreed that none of this should be happening now that could lead to aggravating the situation and creating unnecessary misunderstanding and tension between the two states.